In this tutorial, we're going to look at conditional formatting in Excel. We'll see how we can format cells based on conditions, like if they are in the top 10 values, if they're in the bottom 10 values, and so on. So we have the sales data set here. There is a column unit sold and there is a total sales value column here. Let's apply some conditional formatting to this. So we select unit sold. If you go to the home tab, have this conditional formatting option. If you click on that, there are a lot of other options inside it. So we'll go through this one by one. Highlight cell rules. So here we can mark cells which are greater than a specific value or less than a specific value, or between specific value or equal to specific value. Or if a cell contains text, then if it contains specific text, then we can highlight that. Or if it's a date cell, if a date is occurring, a specific date is included, we can highlight that. Or if it has duplicate values, we can highlight that. So let's try one of this. Let's see greater than. Say I'm interested in wherever the units are greater than 10,000. Light red fill with dark red text, or we can have green fill with dark green text. You can see you have a couple of options here, or you can even do a custom format here. We'll go with one of these now. We'll say yellow fill with dark yellow text. Say okay. You can see wherever it is about 10,000, it has gone into this color. I will try something with the product name. So we'll say text that contains, we'll use the word organic. So you can see immediately it's showing me everything: organic decaf, Brazilian organic, so sustainably grown organic. Wherever there is organic, it has highlighted those cells. Now we'll go explore further options. Now there is also top bottom rules here, which means that we can have the top 10 items highlighted, top 10% of the items highlighted, bottom 10 and bottom 10%, above average and below average. We can also have more rules here. So let's do the top 10 items. We'll say top 10 green fill. Here you can see there will be 10 cells which are highlighted: 1, 4, 5, 6 and 10. These are the top 10 values. Now to clear formatting, you can go here, conditional formatting, clear rules from selected cells. All the formatting is gone, undone now. We'll go back to total sales. We'll do some more conditional formatting here. We'll see what is there in this more rules. There's more rules. You can see there is different rules here. Format cell based on their values, format only the cells that contain some value, or format only top or bottom ranked values. So we can choose any of this. Format only values that are above or below average, only unique or duplicate values. Let's see if there are any duplicates here. We'll highlight this. I know there is a duplicate here. This 908 or 938, one of this is a duplicate. So let's go here. We'll say duplicate values. Okay, you can see this 908 is a duplicate. This 11,837 is a duplicate. So we can also use this to identify duplicate values or format duplicate values. Let's go and clear this. So then there is an option called data bars, which will show data bars alongside the values. Like you can see, depending upon the value, the bar size is bigger or smaller. We'll see here. Now you have a gradient filled bars and you have completely solid filled bars. You can go with this. This will make, if you're preparing reports, this will make the reports look nice. You can also have color scales for the entire range of cells. Like you can see, the greenest ones are the highest values, the reddest ones here, in this case, are the lowest values. So you have a lot of color options. You also have a reverse color option here. So where the red is the most highest one and green is the one. Depending upon what you want to indicate, you can use one of this. So another interesting thing is the icon set. So there are a set of icons which you can use to indicate values. There are 5 arrows, meaning which your whole values are split into 5 bins, and according to which bin they fall into, the corresponding arrows displayed. So you also have a red, amber, green here, red, amber, green rag indicators, different types of rag indicators. So you can use them. You also have different indicators here with the tick, uh, caution, which is very similar to red, amber, green. So you also have flags in red, amber, green. You also have these ratings. These are all interesting things which will uh, make your reports more visually appealing. So the more rules here is the same thing. It will lead to here, but here you will get format style as icon sets. Earlier you wouldn't get this. Now you were getting this. And then we'll clear all rules. So that's about it. Let's just apply one more format. We'll go to the color scales, or we'll apply a color scale where we'll apply this color scale wherever it's green and yellow. You can see since we selected both the columns together, it has taken both the columns together into consideration. So we'll clear this. We'll do it one at a time. Now you can see it's appearing differently. That's about it with the conditional formatting tutorial. Hope this tutorial was useful. Please use the comments to share your feedback. Thank you.